Huh.
Hey folks, Dane here at Jonah Guitars, and finished up the 335, ES 335. It's a Sunburst, as you can see, and I put some pictures up on Facebook of that happening, and in the back. And it's let me go real quick. Obviously, it's got gold hardware, or maybe not so obviously in the video. Gold hardware, Bigsby. CTS pots, Switchcraft, switch and output jack. It's got Lindy Fralin P90, or excuse me, humbucker PAFs style. The light wind, and you'll see later when I play this thing, it's got plenty of juice. I got this amp set on 1 right now. I got it's the Kluson Deluxe original style Keystone, kind of yellowy looking tuners, that style. I've actually got an ebony peghead veneer with the pearl J there. Block inlays requested by the client. Okay, so it's a maple top and back that's carved maple, not laminated maple, and the sides are laminated, 3-ply laminated maple, and then down the center block is a mahogany block. Now the originals came out with laminated maple, mahogany maple, and then the newer ones are maple, poplar maple, 4-ply, and they use a laminated center block, but it's maple. And so tonality wise, I didn't want it to be too ice picky, too bright. So since I was using solid maple top and back, I decided to go with that mahogany neck block. I think that was a good option, good choice. I think you lose a lot of high ends just in the fact that it's a laminated. The other, because you've only got pretty much 2 thin veneers of maple, and then the center core of either poplar or mahogany, and so you're really you're losing some brightness there, and then also you'd be losing brightness from the 3 layers of glue in between all that. And the neck is mahogany, painted of course, so you can't tell that, but mahogany neck, 5-piece mahogany neck. If you go back, once I get these videos posted, this is actually going to precede the build videos. So standard Gibson 17 degree angle on the peg head, standard Gibson shape, did not use the Gibson logo. Got my sticker in there. Yeah, I don't think you can see it on the lighting for that. Maybe later. Anyway, so I think I covered it all, and all gold hardware. I got a gold roller bridge on there because I found with Bigsby's, it's hard enough keeping them to return to tune, making them return to tune. After activating that, but the roller really helps with that, so I opted to go that, even though it's really not traditional for these instruments. Alright, so back it up a little bit. You can see it's got, I don't know, umpteen, probably about 15-16 coats of lacquer on it total, with the color coats as well, and so it's sanded quite a bit though, so it's not a really super heavy thickness. Evo gold frets, rosewood fretboard, in block inlays, which is another request from the client. And yeah, so I think I'll plug it in and just give you some tones. Not a guitarist. Well, I'm a guitarist, but I really suck at doing demos. So the what was else? Oh, the action on this thing. The neck has got about 10, probably 9 thousandths of relief in it, which I like to keep a fairly flat neck. I know a lot of guys go around 12. I like to go flat, and then if I need to, I'll put a little more relief in the neck. Setup wise, this string action is at 3/16 off the 12th fret, not 3/16, excuse me, 3/64. Very, very low. Okay, so like I said before, this amp is set up on like 1. It's the Fender Vibrolux with the 15-inch speaker, 100 amp or 120 amp chassis, depending on how you read the labels. And so, like I said, it's on 1 on the amp, so not driving me out here, not too bad. Oh, I was going to check the tune before I started doing this. Let's see. So here's bridge. Back to the same thing. I actually started here. Try that again.